Yeah, hello everyone. Welcome to the Academia series. This is a special presentation I'm making for my students who did a model of the structure of the animal and plant cell. Now, I decided that I'll make a video on what they have done. Does that looks outstanding? So here we are with some 3D and 2D representation of some of my students' work. So over here we have this one here that is representing the animal cell. So if you look at it, I think this one here represents the mitochondrion, and then the black dots here we see is for the ribosomes. Then we can have the nucleus somewhere here, and then some food vacuoles in it, and then the outer edges here for the cell membrane. So that is this presentation if you were to look at it from the side view. All right, then we have this one here which is trying to show us a part of a 3D animal cell which has been cut, so that we have this presenting the mitochondrion, we have this presenting the lysosome. We have the nucleus over here, which contains the DNA. Isn't that awesome? Then we have this representing the endoplasmic reticulum. I think yes, over here. Then we have this as the Golgi bodies, and then these tiny ribbons here representing the ribosomes. I think it has been shown over here. I think this is a good presentation. All right. Then we have another one here, also showing the full animal cell, so a 3D version of it. So if you cut the animal cell, and then what do you see inside? So we have the nucleus once again. We have what we call the endoplasmic reticulum shown here rather, and then this is the Golgi bodies. We have some food vacuoles, ribosomes. These are the dots. I hope you can see the dot here as our ribosomes. Then we have our mitochondrion, that's the site for the production of energy. I think this one looks awesome. All right. Then we have this one also here. I think this one looks more elaborate. Shall we take a critical look at it? So that we have this one is for the animal cell. So we have our vacuole. And this here is showing the chloroplast. Then we have our mitochondrion, and then the reticulum, the endoplasmic reticulum, and we have this as our nucleus. So this diagram that he has posted here, we have this as to be our key. So that's the key. So the diagram and then the key over here shown on that for the plant cell. And then for the animal cell, what do we have? Oh, okay. We have the nucleus at the center, mitochondrion, and the plasmic reticulum, and then the ribosomes as the black dots, and then the vacuole. We have the vacuole as well. All right, so that is the key. So if you want to know the part, it has been labeled also over here. I think this one too is a nice presentation on both the animal cell and then the plant cell. Then let's come to the next one, where we have also the animal cell and plant cell. Okay, so let's have a look at it. So what are the parts shown here? Yes, according to the maker, this is the nucleus and the plasmic reticulum being presented by this cloth. Then he's using the stick here to represent the mitochondrions. Then the inner part is the cytoplasm. Then we have the food vacuole. They are the yellow dot on this that you see for the food vacuole. And then we have the ribosomes, the red beads that you see here. So if you have to look at it from the side view, this is how you see it from the side view. But if you come up here, you see it this way. All right, for the animal cell, okay, so we have the outer cell wall, Then the green line here for the cell membrane, the large and permanent vacuole, the nucleus, red dot for our ribosomes, then this stick here representing the mitochondrion. Then we have these green patches here as our chloroplast. So if you are to also look at it from the side view, how do we say it? On the side view? Okay. I think this one too is a very good presentation. All right. Now we have another 3D presentation here. Oh, okay. So let's look at it. That's if you cut the animal cell, because we say it's a spherical. If you cut it, how do you see it? All right. So let's see. So that we have the reticulum, we have the nucleus. He has even trying to show some part of the nucleus as well. And then we have the mitochondrion here. We have the Golgi bodies. We have our mitochondrium here once again, and then the vacuole. So the red patches here, the vacuole, and then this red dot that you see, the whitish dot you see here, are the ribosomes. I think this one too is a very nice presentation. All right, let's go to the next one here. And here we are by Bannerman. Bannerman, that is representing the plant cell. So we have the chloroplast here. So we have all this as our chloroplast. Then our endoplasmic reticulum, some ribosomes. Then that is the nucleus, permanent vacuole. Okay, here. Okay, so that's also another presentation by one of my students. All right. Then the last one is a presentation by Anne-Marie. I think this one, even though it's small, looks very cute. Let's look at it from the sideways. So that is it from the sideways. So there's some part of the plant cell and then the 3D version also for the animal cell. So let's look at the part. The red dot here for the plant cell are the ribosomes. Then we have our nucleus, large and permanent vacuole here. And then we have also our Golgi bodies and an endoplasmic reticulum. Then this what you see here, the green dot that you see here are the chloroplasts for the plant cell. I think you can look at it better here. Okay, if you turn it around. Okay, then the animal cell, we have this. So we have our mitochondrion, we have our vacuoles shown on this part here, and then the nucleus at the middle. Then we also have our another mitochondrion here, and then the Golgi bodies also shown here. All right, I think this is a presentation, as I said, by my students concerning a model of the plant and animal cell. All right, we have some others here. I think you can quickly take a look at them. Okay, this one also is trying to show that just the 3D version. That is another presentation here by Kelvin. Another 3D presentation also here. That is showing the inner part. Okay, another one is also here. We have different versions also here, and this one too here. Okay, all right. So I think this is it's worth taking a look at. I think we have some here. The last but not the least, some other presentations. Okay, so we have this one also here, and then we have this one also here, and then we have this one as well. This one as well here, and we have that one too. And then we also have this one here. All right, so we'll meet you once again. Academia series, look out for more interesting presentation. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more interesting stuff. Bye and see you.